Hello everybody, this is Randy McClellan again with a notification, not a notification, a video on how to do the planning center for your phone. I think a lot of people are opening up their screen from their email and it's taking you to Safari or Chrome or whatever web browser you have, and it's viewing it that way. But what I'm recommending, and I think a lot of people maybe just didn't even realize this was an option, what I'm recommending is that you use what you see here on my screen at the bottom left called Services. That's actually the Planning Center app. So just in case this is foreign to you or seems odd, you need to locate something that looks like this, the one in the middle here that says App Store. Everybody should have something like that. Even if you use an Android, you should have some sort of app store. You'll tap on the app store. When that opens, just go to the search. At the bottom right, you'll notice mine has a search. Again, if you have an Android, it might look a little different, but you should have something like that. And then go to the search box and just type in Planning Center Online. When you do that, there should be the first option that pops up. You'll see it right there. The first one that pops up is that app. Mine just says open because I've already downloaded it and it's already on my phone. But yours may say something like get or download or something like that. It is a free app. There's no cost involved and the app is excellent. So for anybody who's having any trouble using the app, using the website when you click on it in your email, that is probably the majority of your problem, is that you're visiting it on a web browser in your phone, which will not work well. Web browser on your computer, yes, absolutely. Web browser on your phone, though, no, not a good plan for this particular website. So when I open my Planning Center app, once you get to that point and you've downloaded this app, you might have to reset your password, make sure you know how to log in and everything. I'm going to go back to one of the beginning screens here. It should look something like this. You should have some service types. You should see some of the ones that you're scheduled for or have access to. So I'll just click on 9 o'clock worship service. I'll go to February 3rd. The first thing that comes up is this menu of options. Just click on the very first thing at the top, Order of Service. And that'll show you February 3rd in order with all of the headings of every single part of the service. And if I click, for example, on the first song, King of Love, I'm going to tap on that. It'll open up this. At the bottom, you'll see there are notes, the song itself, media. These are the different options. If I were you, I would just go to the right and click on this one. Files is the one that I'm at. And now you can see you've got several different options. The capo version, the King of Love audio version. Of course, if I click that, that'll pull up the audio. And I'm not sure why I have some of these extra files. Perhaps song would be a better one to go to. Default arrangement, files. No, perhaps not. I shouldn't have done that. Well, anyway, files is the main one, and you should see all of the stuff there listed. The one at the very bottom is the one that everybody's going to want on this one, where it says Band Vox, and generally you're going to look for something like that. So if I click on Band Vox, that'll pull it right up where I can view it on my phone. The challenge with looking at it on your phone is you can't look at it while you're listening to the audio. So if you watch the other video, you'll know that I'm recommending that you do this on your computer, that you don't do it on the phone. I understand the convenience, though, of doing it on your phone, and certainly it's helpful if you want to listen in the car and plug it in, that way, so you could pull up the audio. You just can't look at the score at the same time, which I think is a better way to prep. So we'll call this second best if you want to look at it on your phone, but at least make sure that if you're doing it on your phone, you are downloading that app like I just showed you, and then you're going to Order of Service so that you can see everything in order as it's going to be in the service. So, hope that's helpful. As usual, text me, email me anytime if you have any questions. I think this is super crucial that everybody has access to this and knows how to use it. So if you have a question, if this is still confusing, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'd love to explain it for you. Thanks a lot, and see you soon.